Every day I go to a school that likes to help with learning. 1, 2, 3s, they're the keys. Basic math, very easy. To Baldi's world of fun where no one leaves till educated. Every door is locked up tight. Stay inside till we're graded. The students try their best to better their education. Comprehend the material. Study hard, relay every detail. Nobody wants detention. We only want attention. Even when life is tough, oddly quarters are enough. This is how we live our life, searching for the answers inside of every page. And I'm here wondering if one day we'll finally be free from this cage. Is it okay to have a feeling that maybe there is more to this game? However, now, no time to question, so just behave. Walking across the hallways, finding notebooks, so we mentor. Follow every single rule, or he'll take out his wooden ruler. For he is listening and watching everyone's progression. All mistakes have consequences, so answer right with every question. Try to add up excuses, nothing will make a difference. Baldi knows every door that we open. Following from behind, we can hear him. There is no place for playtime. Avoid them all from every side. Better to leave him be. Follow his philosophy. This is how we live our life, searching for the answers inside of every page. And I'm here wondering if one day we'll finally be free from this cage. Is it okay to have a feeling that maybe there is more to this game? However, now, just keep behaving. Sweep to the halls, to escape we'll have some sacrifices. No room for jealousy, I've got no time to play hide and seek. 'Cause eventually he'll surely find me. Have to be brave or better, keep behaving. Count till I don't know what counts. Every inch of fear is all that's ingrained. Can't understand what's the solution. The problem is a mess in my brain. I'm pushed around with all the pressure to be here and I don't wanna stay. There's gotta be some sort of exit to get away.
Olive, what are you doing?